tackle about biodiversity. So for you, what is biodiversity? Biodiversity refers to the variety of all living things on Earth, including plants, animals, and microorganisms, as well as the ecosystems and the interactions between them. So, ang biodiversity, in short, involved sa mga naikinabuhi naa sa atong environment o sa environment kung asa ta nahimutang. So, why biodiversity is important? Biodiversity is important because it keeps ecosystems healthy and functioning, which maka-benefit tanang living organisms, including us of course. And there are specific benefits that we can acquire by protecting our biodiversity. First is ecosystem services. Ecosystem services. Biodiversity provides essential services like clean air and fresh water. Second, food and medicine. By protecting our biodiversity, we can get many foods that we can eat and medicines from plants that you can find in nature. Third, climate regulation. Diverse ecosystems like forests and oceans help regulate the Earth's climate by storing and producing oxygen. Fourth is resilience. A diverse ecosystem is better at adapting to changes and recovering from a disasters like floods, drought, or diseases. And last is cultural and aesthetic value. Biodiversity enriches our lives with beauty, inspiration, and cultural significance. Protecting our biodiversity ensures that ecosystems continue to support life on Earth, including ours. So, to protect and sustain our biodiversity, we need to protect natural habitats, support wildlife reserves and marine sanctuaries, reduce waste by recycling, reusing, and composting, participate in tree planting and habitat restoration projects, help clean up polluted areas like rivers, beaches, and forests, and support conservation programs for threatened and endangered species. We need also to raise awareness about our biodiversity and its importance through education and community activities. Advocate for policies that protects biodiversity and support conservation organizations that protects biodiversity. So, parang importante man ang protekta sa biodiversity nato. So, why is it important for people to know about the importance of protecting and sustaining our biodiversity, especially for students like me? Here's why. First is awareness. Understanding biodiversity helps students recognize how their actions impact the environment and encourages them to adopt sustainable behaviors. Second, biodiversity supports food, water, medicine, which are part of our basic needs, and other essentials. Educating students ensures they value and protect these resources for future generations. Third, learning about our biodiversity helps students and equips them with knowledge to address global challenges like climate change, habitat loss, and species extinction. Fourth, developing a sense of responsibility. Students must learn, especially like me, you should learn that we are part of a larger ecosystem and have a role in maintaining the balance of life on Earth. Fifth is inspiring careers in conservation. Exposure to biodiversity may inspire students to pursue career in science, environmental conservation, or sustainable development. In the effort to safeguard the biodiversity in the Philippines and advocate for environmental sustainability, numerous organizations are actively making a difference. One of these is World Fund, Worldwide Fund for Nature. The name of the organization says it all. Their projects don't only focus on food, water, and climate, but on wildlife as well. In fact, they exert effort to ensure the survival of the most rarest and most endangered species in the country. Also part of their aims is to transform lives by providing livelihood programs. To discover this, must visit eco-friendly organizations in the Philippines and enhance your sustainable travel in the Philippines experience by supporting their efforts. Second organization is Waves for Water. Waves for Water, the organization works with leaders and partners to provide clean and portable water for communities here and abroad. Imagine the country running out of water, a drought take over leading to a shrinking food supply, damaged habitat, crop damage, and more. If thought of this makes you cringe, then you may want to work with Waves for Water. The organization works with leaders and partners to provide clean and potable waters for communities here and abroad. Learn more about eco-friendly organizations and eco-friendly initiatives like Waves for Water, dedicated to ensuring sustainable water solutions. Third organization is Save Philippine Seas. Our country is surrounded by seas. It's only for us to protect them so they can protect us from possible harm. Part of the advocacy of Save Philippine Seas is to promote community empowerment, environmental education, and shark conservation. The org also initiates citizen-led programs to empower Pinoy towards behavioral change. Fourth organization is Greenpeace Philippines. The main goal of Greenpeace Philippines is to protect natural landscapes, species, and more from environmental threats such as perilous waste imports, coal projects, and illegal logging. Aside from promoting ecological farming, this volunteer-based group also holds campaigns against land, air, and water pollution. Fifth group is Philippines Biodiversity Conservation Foundation. Philippines Biodiversity Conservation Foundation works to restore natural habitats and aims to educate the public on how to protect wildlife from possible harm. So far, they have completed programs to conserve rare species such as Philippine bats, Calamian deer, and cloud rats.